All right, welcome back. You survived part A. Now let's get into the really good stuff.
Seriously, if your wrist is aching by 5 p.m., something's got to change in your workflow.
So yeah, part A was the warm-up. This is the advanced stuff, where the tool just disappears.
Okay, first up, Command plus R. I call this the lifesaver for a very, very good reason.
It lets you rename a ton of messy layers at once. Trust me, your future self will thank you.
Next up, let's talk navigation. Say hello to the elevator. It's a game changer. Forget all that frantic double-clicking. Just hit Enter to dive in, Shift plus Enter to pop back out. Feeling warmed up? Good, because we've got 3 more pro shortcuts coming right at you.
Okay, is your Layers panel an absolute disaster? Check this out, the Clean Sweep.
Bam, one shortcut and everything collapses. It gives you this instant mental clarity. So good. All right, this next one is for when you need to get in the zone. We call it Zen Mode. It just hides all the UI clutter. Perfect for deep focus or making client demos look super clean.
See a color on the screen you love? Stop hunting for hex codes and meet the color thief. This one's almost too easy. Just hit the I key, click on literally any color, and you're done. So, you've got the tools, you've got the knowledge. Think you're ready for the pro challenge?
I challenge you to try a no mouse Monday. Yeah, the first 10 minutes are gonna hurt, but then flow.
I'm not kidding. You will literally double your speed. This is how you really get into a state of flow. And that's it for part B. But wait, the journey isn't over. You get to decide where we go next. So what'll it be for part 3? Vote in the comments, and of course, hit subscribe to keep leveling up. Because remember, this isn't about rushing. It's about making the tool itself completely disappear.